guys, welcome back to Nighttime Mommy Reviews. If you clicked on the video, you know that today I am making a big announcement and we are doing a giveaway for all of my subscribers. It's a chance to win a $100 gift card to Amazon. I was going to choose something like another Ninja Foodie Grill or something like that, but then I thought, what if somebody already has it or they don't want it? How about a $100 gift card and you could choose what you want to get from Amazon. So this is in no way sponsored by Amazon. I am doing this. I paid this out of my own pocket. It's just a giveaway for $100. So stay tuned for that. Now, I do want to make a big announcement as well. But first, I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. 5,000 subscribers is a huge milestone, at least for me, because I started this with the intention of putting more recipes out there for a new device. There were not many. There were just a couple people barely starting to pave the way with Ninja Foodie Grill recipes. And then it grew to my Instant Pot air fryer lid and it just spiraled out of there. But I have to say a huge thank you to Cooking with CJ. CJ, you're the man. I really appreciate all of the help and mentoring that you provided and allowing me to use your platform. So if you're not a part of his Facebook group and you have the Ninja Foodie Grill, you need to be a part of it. It's Ninja Foodie Grill Recipes and Ideas on Facebook. So definitely join that group. And if you're not subscribed to Cooking with CJ, come on, subscribe. But I wanted to say thank you again to everybody and anybody who has been a part of this journey. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. And with that said, let's go ahead and take a look and dive right into my computer to take a look at what I have as a surprise. All right, so what I wanted to announce to you guys is that I have come up with a website where you can find all of the printable recipes for the recipes that I show on YouTube. Now, I shouldn't say all just yet because I am working on it. Every week I have set a goal to add more and more recipes, and then I'm adding the new ones as well. So I'm actually working my way down from the newest to the older recipes so that the newer recipes are on here as well. But you can find them on my homepage. But if you don't want to search there, there's also an option to look under the designated category. So if you're looking for Ninja Foodie Grill recipes, you just hover down, or you could click on Ninja Foodie Grill and the recipes will be there. Ninja Foodie Blender, and then I have my air fryer lid recipes. Now, if for some reason that you can't find them there, you can also search for it in the search widget. I added a widget to the site where you can search for the keyword. So if you wanted to make chocolate ice cream, you just search for it and it will come up. Now, also, there is an option to jump to the recipe and print. You can print the recipe. So just now you can have it on hand. It's a printable version with the ingredients, the instructions, and the cook time and everything. So let me know what you guys think. I just wanted to give back to you guys because I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my page and, you know, taking the time to view my videos. I really appreciate it and I wanted to give back to you guys. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Make sure you view my website. Now, I would give it some time because it's still not secure. I just received the certificate, so I am going to add it to the website so that it shows secure. But here you'll find the recipes. Every week I will be adding more recipes, and again, I'm working my way down. So I'm starting with the new ones and then going towards the older ones to add to the website or to the blog. But let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get into what we're doing for the giveaway. All right, and that was my big announcement, was making my recipes accessible to each and every one of you guys. I know that you guys all requested that, so I wanted to give back to you guys and take the time to make that for you. And I will be uploading my recipes every week to that website, so just keep an eye out for those. Now, for the giveaway, in order to enter the giveaway, you will have to enter on Instagram. I couldn't find a way or an easy way to make it accessible on YouTube. There's just so many things around making it accessible for YouTube. It's either a form or there were just a lot of things. And right now, I'm working full time and I have 2 kids, so Instagram was the easiest way. Maybe in the future I can change it. It is for anybody in the US only. I'm sorry guys, but US only. It was just the easiest way for right now. I'm hoping to do more giveaways where it's accessible worldwide, but unfortunately for right now it's going to be on Instagram and it's in the US only. So I will have the link in the description box below for the Instagram page, or you can also access it on my YouTube page by going to the About tab for my channel, and it'll say join me or follow me on Instagram. If you click that link, it'll take you to the page, and I am going to be uploading the giveaway post, so it will have all of the rules on the Instagram. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to my page. I hope to have more giveaways for all of you guys. But until next time, you guys have a great night.